Good morning everyone. I am Pranav Gusai on class 8 from Army Public School Delhi Camp, and today I am going to be presenting my 3D model to you. In a country like India, there is a lot of pollution, mainly plastic waste. But through my model, not only can I reduce this pollution, but also bring light into the lives of many people. The following is the apparatus required for our model. Some wires, an LED light bulb, a switch, and a solar panel. This is how we will be assembling our circuit. We have to solder one end of the wire to the positive panel and another end of the wire to the negative panel. One of the wires has to be attached to the switch like this. Now we have to pay proper attention that the wires of the positive panel gets connected to the positive terminal and the wire of the negative panel gets connected to the negative terminal. To charge my solar panels, I have placed them under the sun. And now after some time they will be fully charged and my LED bulb will glow. Our assembled circuit will look like this. As you can see, I have attached two solar panels and I have charged them under the sun. And now, when I turn on the switch, the light goes on. Now, we will take at least 1 liter of water and 10 milliliters of sodium hypochlorite, also known as bleach. It is most commonly used in hair dyes, detergents, and washing powder. This is a very basic substance, so we should avoid it touching our bare skin. Now, I am going to be mixing the water and bleach. We must do this with much caution. And now that we have mixed our bleach and water, this will form hypochlorous acid. This hypochlorous acid has a very special property that it reflects light. So, when we put in an LED bulb, it will spread the light all over the place. I will be placing the LED inside the hypochlorous solution. This will be increasing the surface area of the light. Right now the LED is not as bright. However, now that I have put it into my hypochlorous acid, it has become much brighter. This model reduces the pollution as it reuses the plastic bottles. These are a major factor for pollution in India. This also uses a natural source of light. The solar panels use the solar energy to produce the light. And as it is, this LED light is very cheap. So it is a very cheap way that not only conserves our environment but also helps the people. This concept of a solar light bulb was developed by Alfred Morris of Brazil, and it was first implemented by Alec Dias in the Philippines in the year 2011. Since then, the Letter of Light Foundation has steadily grown, and now it has influenced more than 15 countries all over the world, including India. In India, this concept was introduced by Pradeep Chandri. He demonstrated the use of the solar light bulb first in the region of Telangana in the year 2011, and since then, this concept has steadily grown in India, and it has influenced many lives all over India now. Thank you.